Hello everyone, so today we will talk about Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro. So let's get started. This pad body weight is 571 gram, glass front, aluminum frame, aluminum back. Display size is 12.10 inch, IPS, LCD, 68B colors, 120Hz refresh rate. And display resolution is 1600 into 2560 pixel. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm. Memory 128GB, 6GB RAM and 128GB with 8GB RAM. And also 256GB with 8GB RAM. OS Android 14 HyperOS. Rear camera 8 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. Front camera 8 megapixel with 2.3 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture HD with 30 fps and front camera can capture HD with 30 fps. So we can see the both camera can capture same. This pad battery is 10,000 mAh battery. So you can expect a huge battery backup from this pad. And charging system 33 watt wired. Connectivity Wi-Fi 6, 3.5mm jack and a good sound system. So if you are looking for a long battery backup pad, so you can go with this. So that was the video and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.